Hello students, I hope you are well. We would like to start our lecture with some past lectures revision. In our previous lectures, we talk about the factor that caused First World War, in which we discussed that Germany had defeated France in Sedan War, and in that, at the end of the war, France had to pay war fine as well as required to give away two provinces, that is Lorraine and Alsace, and France has not been able to overcome with this humiliation. So France not recovered from this humiliation. Then we talk about economical factors, militarism, groupism, secret treaty, and then at the end we discuss that initially the Prince of Austria and his wife, they were shot by the member of the Soviet terrorism group, that is Black Hand, and Austria blame on Serbia. And with that the First World War began. So these are the factors. Now today we will learn the First World War. How, when, between whom, etc. So before we go ahead, we would like to start with the paperwork. Now paperwork says that the war, First World War, is between these two categories. The one group is Allied nations and the second group is Axis nation. Now in Allied nation I just write three names and Axis also three names. Now total number of countries in Allied nation, they are more, but to understand the topic, the First World War, we have to observe that initially these three nations associate, then others join them: France, Russia and England. And Axis nation we have a Germany, Austria and Turkey. With this fundamental background, we would like to start the topic, the First World War. So let's start without any disturbance. The First World War. Now in the First World War, 24 nations support the Allied nation and 4 nations support the Axis nation. So here we have how many nations? There are 24 Allied nation, and 4 Axis nation. I just wrote 3, there are many others also, but I just initially write 3 because we have to learn how other country join with this or join with this. Now initially Germany made noteworthy victories in Europe. So initially what happened? Germany tried its level best to win the areas or the countries in Europe, and it ruined the French army. Now they destroy the French army. Germany destroyed French army. It fought many submarine wars. Submarine, I hope you understand, below water level submarine is used as a carrier, and can be used for attack also. So Germany fought many submarine war and destroyed the ships of Allied nation. So this Germany fought with Allied nation through submarine, and destroyed the ship of all these nations. So initially Germany, try its level best to destroy all these countries, weapons and soldiers and carriers and all those things. Now see what happened. The biggest mistake of Germany starts here. We repeat, Germany fought many submarine war and destroyed the ship of Allied nation. Now many soldiers and civilians died because of tanks and poisonic gas. So many soldiers of Allied nation are dead because of tanks, tank attack, poisonic gas. Because of all this, so many Allied nations, soldiers and they died. Now, in 1917, the Russian Revolution starts. So Russia withdraw from war. Please remember this. Okay, till 1970, Russia was, with Allied Nation group. But in Russia, in their own country, the Russian Revolution, which also called Bolshevik Revolution, start. So Russia quit. Russia told that I am not with you. I am not with anybody. I don't want to participate in war. I want to withdraw myself. So now Russia is not available as allied nation. So in 1970, the Russian Revolution starts. So Russia withdraw from the war. Now see what happened with Germany. Germany was very strong at this time. It managed to drown an American steamer, Lusitania, in which 147 American soldiers died. Now see what happened. America not participate in war till now. America not associate with allied nation, not associate with Axis nation. But because what Germany did, Germany managed to drown. Drown means what? Die through submersion in the inhalation of the water. Means what? The ship destroyed, so soldier died, okay, because of inhalation of the water. So here what happened? Germany was strong at this time and they destroyed the steamer Lusitania of America, which has 147 American soldiers. And because of that, 147 American soldiers died. Imagine, America not did anything, but Germany wants to, become superpower. We learned somewhere about the leader Kaiser in a previous topic of page number 11 of textbook. In the factors of First World War, cause of First World War, we learn that the Kaiser of Germany wants to become world leader. So Germany decide that whoever comes we destroy. So without any reason, Germany attack on America or American steamer Lusitania, and because of that attack, 147 American soldiers died. Now common sense, America will not keep quiet. America will not say, oh, very good, you kill our 147 soldiers, so nice of you. No. With this incident, see what happened. Consequently, America joined Allied Nation for the war in April 1917. So now what happened? Now America joined Allied Nation. Now America joined Allied Nation. Now see, America joined Allied Nation for the war in April 1917. With that, countries like Panama, Greece, Cuba, China, Siam joined with the Allied Nation. So I hope you can able to understand. So many countries, Greece, Cuba, China, Siam, they all joined Allied Nation. Thus, Allied Nation becomes stronger because America joined, Greece also joined, Cuba also joined, China also joined, Siam also joined. All these countries joined Allied Nation only. So the number of countries of Allied Nation increase. Now German army could not withstand the American troops. German army cannot face American troops. They bow down themselves against American troops. They accept that they can't fight with American troops. So withstand means what? Remain undamaged or unaffected. Okay. So it says that German army could not withstand against the American troops. The whole position of the war now changed. Before war start, Germany powerful, but now because of so many countries joined Allied Nation, the whole situation of the war is totally changed. The next line, Bulgaria in September 1980, Turkey and Austria in October 1918 joined the Allied Nation. Please remember the year. So now the countries are Germany, Austria, Turkey, and one more country available, that is Bulgaria. Okay, so these countries are also joined in the year 1918. Okay, October 1918 joined the Allied nation. Now German leader Kaiser, who was believed that he want to rule the whole world, believed that I definitely become the world leader. Now see what happened with him. The German leader Kaiser evicted his position and ran away. Evicted means what? Give up. Give up his position and he ran away. Means go somewhere. And Germany surrendered to Allied nation. Germany accepted that we will not continue. We submit ourselves to you, Allied nation, and signed the ceasefire treaty. Ceasefire means what? Suspension of fighting. So they signed the contract, suspension of the fight, that now we will not fight. We submit ourselves to you, Allied nation. Don't attack us. We accept our defeat. And the war came to an end. And here the First World War ended. Now students, there are some questions for you whose answer you have to write in the comment section. Okay. If you feel so, then you can write the answer that, do you think so Germany is considered as the root of First World War? If yes, why? And if no, then why? That is the question whose answer I want from you in the comment section. Those who are listening the lecture, I request them, please participate and give the answer in comment section. That do you think so Germany is the root cause of First World War? If yes, why? And if no, then why? Okay, you can search on internet, you can give answer by your own words with your own thinking, no problem. I definitely wait for your answer. Now in homework PDF, I request you to scroll the page, because in homework PDF you are able to get some of the words and their meanings plus some shortcut technique. For example, I prepare the list of Allied nation, okay, and I prepare the list of Axis nation, okay. Now in Axis nation I prepare the shortcut. Axis nation are what? T-bag. I hope you can see this. T-bag. Now T-bag means what? T means Turkey, B means Bulgaria, A means Austria, and G means Germany. So when you remember T-bag, automatically you understand that T-bag means Allied nation. Axis nation. Very sorry. T-bag means Axis nation. And this Axis nation means what? T means Turkey, Bulgaria, Austria, and Germany. So it will be always easy for you to find out the answers based on the Axis nation. Okay. So I try my level best to prepare this kind of memory code as much as possible. I just want your cooperation to give the answer in comment section. Okay. So I hope you enjoy today's lecture. Now, important announcement. In next lecture, we will talk about effects of First World War. After war over, what are the effects that we have to learn? And in that, the most important topic is the Treaty of Versailles in June 1990. This question frequently asked in exam, so it's important for us to understand and to remember in a sequential situation. So we will end our lecture over here. You can able to write your opinion in comment section. Okay, and if you want to give any suggestion, most welcome. So we end our session over here, and we will meet with the next, that is effects of First World War, immediate effects. One more thing, before I start this topic, I request you to revise the First World War and the topic, that is the cause of First World War. These both I request you to read so that this will be easy. Fine. So it is now time to say goodbye. So please take care of yourself. Thank you.